How to fix TikTok upload problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok upload problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and go to the settings, go to the wireless ad networks here in the top, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait a few seconds and disable it. After you disable it, now you have to go back into the settings, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps. Now you have to go into TikTok, click on this for stop here to stop the app from running, and then go down here to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, and then go to the Wi-Fi here, disable it, and then enable it again. Go back, and now you have to do one last thing, which is restart your phone and try again. That's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.